and today I'm taking it straight to Niger. Hey guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and today I'm taking it straight to Niger. Chapman. Wow, of course it has to feature. I can't believe I've never tried this drink. Right, so we've had the lamb ghee, the whole asana filled with prosecco. Yes, I did it. Also, you had the I Ndudu. Yes. And so these are like incredible drinks that you can't serve. But do you think I was going to leave it there? Oh no, I'm going to Niger. Niger's Chapman. Oh. That's the best kept secret. I've never had it before, but luckily for me, I do have the ingredients, so why not? I tried it and I couldn't wait to share it with you. So now let's start. But before I do start, what is that? What is that? Hey, hey, ho, hey, ho. Badass attitude. Hey. Let's see if I can do the moonwalk. So I'm going to talk about these two main ingredients. So this is grenadine. Now traditionally grenadine is made from pomegranate juice and it's turned into a syrup. Also one can use blackcurrant juice as well, which is turned into syrup. But this particular one that I have has a mixture of berries as well. So it's got raspberry, blackcurrant, blackberry, elderflower that's been mixed and of course made into the syrup with the sugar in there. So this is alcohol free. If not, just be creative. If you don't have access to this and you have access to the fresh fruit, create your own syrup and make your own. So next is the bitters, which is the Angostura bitters, and it's an aromatic bitters, and I love that because this whole drink has a balance of sweetness and bitterness that works perfectly. And yes, now with this Angostura is alcohol, it has got alcohol in it. So of course the Chapman is a cocktail, may I say, in that sense. But you do need this because it balances that flavor. So yeah, now let's start. I'm gonna start this with some ice cubes. Now, what I'm going to do is just crush some ice. So using a very clean napkin or use a crusher, and I do have a crusher, but I don't know why I'm doing this. But anyway, I prefer to do things the traditional way sometimes, why not? So we're gonna do some bashing. And I guess this is a good way for me to let out all my frustration. Bashing. Ooh, bash, bash. So I've got my crushed ice and I'm now going to add my grenadine. Look at that color, that's just beautiful. And at each step, just mixing it, it's all about the flavor. Then I'm going to add my bitters. Oh, that smells incredible. And then, this is so easy to make, see? Add my Fanta. Mix that. My Sprite. That's more than enough. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing some slicing. And I'm just going to thinly slice some of the cucumber. That's just refreshing. It adds that refreshing taste to my Chapman. This is so easy. I can't see why you would incorporate this into your Christmas meal. It's so nice. Perfect cocktail. And what I tend to do with things like this, like something like the orange that I thinly slice, I freeze it. So it actually acts as an ice cube as well. So, you know, and you notice that I'm just thinly slicing the lemon that way. So it's easy for me to take the seed out. Okay. The smell alone is just incredible. So here we have my sliced bits that I'm going to add to my mixture.
I mean, think about it. Fanta, and then you've got the orange. So you've got that freshness from the orange, which is enhancing the flavor of the Fanta. Sprite, you've got the lemon, absolutely, which is also fresh and tangy slightly, but also refreshing. And then you've got that cucumber that when you bite into is just beautiful. Definitely, this is a must try drink. I mean, look at the color. Look how beautiful it is. Definitely, it's featuring on my Christmas menu. Now, I hope you're inspired to try some of these recipes, you know, and that these are things that you can make yourself. Of course, with the Chapman, you've got to give it that respect. You need the bitters, absolutely, the grenadine, because without it, you can't call it Chapman. No, no, no. Now, you can serve this and do your cachet thing in your cocktail glass, as you see, or you can actually have it in the pitcher, wherever you prefer, you know. Now, this would really go well with the corn sticks. Oh, yes, with guacamole. Now, these are all recipes that you will find on my YouTube channel. So definitely, I think you need to binge watch most of it. And here we've got the goat meat pie as well. There's a recipe for this also on my YouTube channel. Can you imagine having that bite from your suya and having the Chapman?
Now the pièce that is the stones, as I always say. Hey, hey, hey. Our Chapman. Nigel, thank you. It's just a varied flavors. This is just good. And yeah, what is next? You have to subscribe, click that notification button, and don't miss out. Brunye, be a brutal, ketche. Hey, yabaso. Should I do the moonwalk again? No, bye.
Or ensure that you do not miss a thing, because I'll be uploading some exciting videos in the coming days. And they are all to propel, inspire you to, you know, think outside the box a bit, create unique things just for yourself, personalized stuff, you know, there's just everything for every budget. And I have carefully selected things that I know that you guys would like. It's you. Of course, we're going to talk about fashion a bit. Now, you'd like to know what this drink is, wouldn't you? Yes. I'll be featuring that soon. So you need to click that subscribe button. And of course, you know, how to personalize your table setting. Of course, as you do. Now, this drink, I have to tell you more about it. Now, this also happened this year, and I can't wait to talk to you about it. My experience with Vlisco, and this has been the billboard in Ivory Coast that they sent to me. Incredible. You know, when I keep saying, do not let go of your dreams, you know, stand still, pray, go for it, push yourself. I mean it. It's not easy, but nothing worth having is easy. You just have to have that passion and know that that is your talent and go for it. Don't waste your time fitting into somebody else's shoes when you've got your own gold slippers or shoes to walk on. You see, until next time, guess what? I love you. Be you, be nice, be beautiful. Don't change for anybody. And if you're going to be changing, change for yourself and be a better version of yourself. I'll see you soon. Toodles.